What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Today, what I've got for you is a special cook. I had a viewer a couple weeks ago send me a box, and he sent me 2 Delmonico steaks and also sent me 4 of these pork tenderloins, which you're fixing to see here in a few minutes. So what I did is yesterday, I went ahead and I made the spices up for this meat. It's the same kind of spices that you would put into gyro meat if you're making gyros and you want to marinate the meat inside. These same kind of spices, and you want to put it onto a spit, and if you want to make a gyro. So I did the same thing with this right here, but I cut it up into medallions. So it's about 2-inch square medallions. These tenderloins, I wrapped it in bacon. I'm gonna put it on a skewer, and I'm gonna put it onto the Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. And it's only gonna take, I don't know, maybe between 15 to 30 minutes inside the Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. And I also made some homemade Tzatziki sauce. And I'm going to do a photo montage of that first. So stay tuned for the photo montage of my homemade Tzatziki sauce. And I'm also going to put a link, I think it's right here. I'll put a link to my homemade Tzatziki sauce video so you can have it in its entirety. So after I get done cooking that, I'm going to put onto a bed of some romaine lettuce with that Tzatziki sauce. This can either be a meal or it could be an appetizer or a side dish. So stay tuned. This is going to be freaking crazy good, guaranteed. All right, so stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm doing to reinforce these is I'm putting a bamboo skewer up through the meat, then it slides down. I come over here, I put it inside here. Okay, like that. Alright, and hopefully it'll stay up. Well, that actually didn't stay up. Well, these over here stayed up. See? That there stayed up. So hopefully I can get some of these other ones here to stay up as well. I might even put maybe 2 or 3 in there. See, like that. So I'm gonna put a couple more. See, it's sliding down. I can reinforce it. There we go. So I think I can get it. Hopefully it'll stay up like that. Found a piece of meat on the bacon. That's the wall, 400 degrees. That's what you got inside there. That's the very bottom. Another piece of meat right there, 244. Inside around the walls is 400 degrees. That's pretty awesome. Alright, so it's been about 25 minutes to see how these things are progressing. So far so good. Looking on the camera, it don't look like they're very browned up, but I'm looking at them. Look like they're browned up pretty good. So they look like 25 minutes. I think they'll be done in about another 10-15 minutes. I just want to say, these things as they're cooking are making me extremely hungry. They smell so divine. You guys have got to try this. This is just the smell alone is making my mouth water. It's making my stomach go gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. I mean, this is, ooh, this is gonna be good. I can't wait for the taste test. Yes, yes, gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. How's my stomach's doing? Because I smell it. It smells so freaking divine. Come out here and smell it. Come out here and smell it. She's coming out here to smell it.
Right.
Can you smell this?
Huh?
Come out here and smell this. Just to smell.
Yes, honey. Yes, yes, babes. Making my stomach go gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. All right, so I just temp these, and right now they're right around the 155, 160 area, and one of them is like, a big piece is like 150. So I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes, let that bacon crisp up a little bit more, and let the other one come up to temperature. But next thing is I'm gonna be pulling these things off and get them plated. All right, the moment I've been waiting for. Wow. Try some of the Tzatziki sauce on it. There. This is a Gyro hors d'oeuvre. You gotta try this. If you haven't tried this, well, I probably never have because I've never seen it on YouTube. I'm the first one. So yeah, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. I'll see y'all next week. Ciao. Damn, this is good.